Alright, so this is a quick demo on how to export a folder. I'm just going to grab this folder that has information that's not very recent. This is a folder that I just used to keep track of CTE purchases a year ago. So if I go to File, Open and Export, Import and Export, it's going to open this little dialog box, and I want to export to a file. The standard way that you export in Outlook is with PST files. So I'm going to export a data file, and I'm going to choose this folder and all subfolders. There doesn't happen to be any subfolders, but if there were, they'd be included too. I don't have any duplicates, so I'm just going to allow everything to be created. I can browse for a location here. So currently it's going to go to my desktop, which is a good place. I'll choose that anyways. I already tested this, so I'll get rid of my previous test. Well, I'll just change the name then. I'll call it backup 2. I'll call it old CTE emails. And finish. It opens this little dialog box. If you need a password because you're concerned about security, add one here. I don't need one, so I'm just going to say OK. And then, if I minimize my screens, I have multiple screens, so it actually, oops, not the right. It actually came out on my other screen, so I'm just going to drag it over here to show you. But this is it, and you can't really open it. It's a PST file, so it's a data file called old CTE emails. But if you do want to open it, then you grab Outlook again. So now that we've created the export, we've seen it, and we could even see how big is this thing. So 8 megs. So it's big enough to know there's some data there. If I now want to import it or open it, open a data file, a PST file. You can say, where'd you put it? I put it on my desktop. There it is. Click OK. And it pops up down here. And it uses the same structure that you have up here. So as I expand this, Outlook data files, inbox, CTE, there you can see all the same emails in that data file as are in this folder up here. It was just sorted differently. So these CTE purchases, what's the last email I put in there? Were we able to get the order, or do we still need to find a approved vendor? And as you can see in the top of this one, when I sort it by CTE purchases, same email. So that is it. That is how you back up a folder to a CTE, to a PST folder, and how do you then open it back up in the future. So you can grab any of your old files, you stick them in a folder, or you can back up all your folders, save those as a PST file, and then re-import that into Outlook on another computer. I hope that answers your questions. Have a good day.